Hey everyone, it's Blaine Cruse, your local real estate expert advisor. If all real estate agents were created equal, then every agent would be able to get you top dollar when selling your home. Unfortunately, there's a huge difference between the traditional real estate agent and a real estate expert advisor. The average agent only sells 4.5 homes per year and spends less than $200 on marketing. The average accepted offer that an average agent will negotiate is up to 11% below your original asking price. As a real estate expert advisor, I have a proven, repeatable system backed by market research that gets sellers up to 18% more than the average agent does using traditional methods. As a real estate expert advisor, here are just a few of the things I do. I go beyond using a comparative market analysis to determine the price of your home and set the best list price. I help prepare your house to make it stand out from the competition, drive up demand, and attract higher offers. I also target the largest number of qualified buyers for your home. Do you know the true value of your home right now? Do you know what it takes to get your home sold so you can maximize your profit from when you sell it? Actually, it's not important that you know what it takes to get your home sold for the most money and as fast as possible. It's crucial that your real estate agent does, though. If they are not an expert in any of these areas, it is virtually guaranteeing failure. With data showing 48% of homes listed fail to sell, getting your home sold quickly and for the most amount of money is not something that should be left to chance. It should be the result of a proven, tested, and measured strategy that only a real estate agent expert advisor can provide you. I have a proven, repeatable system backed by market research that can get you up to 18% more for your home than the average agent would using traditional methods. It takes the risk out of selling your home and gets you the best price no matter what the market conditions are. If you are curious to know what your home could sell for in today's market and how you can get that done by maximizing your profit and minimizing the amount of time on the market, tap the button below. Take care.